Hello there, it's me again, Udi, founder of Star Remodeling. Did you know that the most energy consuming feature of your home is your HVAC unit? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And within your HVAC, the most energy consuming part is the air conditioning portion, which consists of a condenser and coil. These two units are the highest energy consumers for the whole system. So, when you're deciding to replace an existing HVAC unit, or if you're looking to increase the energy efficiency of your home, it's important to remember that the HVAC system will lock in and dictate the amount of energy you will use cooling your home for the next 15 plus years. The HVAC is such a high consumer of energy, there's actually a rating, the SEER rating, given to all systems to measure exactly how much energy gets used. In some respects, this measurement is the equivalent to your miles per gallon measure in gas cars. What I'm trying to say is, HVAC units are expensive to run, and that's why you need an expert to walk you through all the options and variables to get the best system to fit your energy efficient home. The more energy you can save, the more money you save. Finally, your HVAC is also the one product most responsible for your comfort at home. Staying cool in the summer or warm in the winter and breathing clean air is critical to a restful and peaceful living environment. Don't mess up this important investment. So don't wait. Fill out the simple 1-minute form on this page for your free consultation, and we can get started today. When considering HVAC, you might also want to install a solar panel system or remove old mildew and mold. To learn more about those services, click below.